Hey guys, in this video I am going to share you with the recipe of Aloo Anday Qourma. So let's cook. First, take a deep pot and put water in it. After adding water, put eggs in it, and after eggs put salt in it. After adding salt, let it boil well, and after boiling keep it aside. Now take another pot on the other side and add oil in it. When the oil gets hot enough, add onions and fry well. When the onions is nicely browned, take it out on a plate and then put it in a bowl. Put the onion in a bowl and add curd along with it and blend it well to make a smooth paste. In the same pan, again add cumin, black pepper, black cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, green cardamom, and saute well until spice crackles. Then add garlic paste and fry very well. So after garlic, add ginger paste and fry it well again. When the spices start to release oil, then add tomato puree to it. Cook well so that the water in the tomatoes dries up and the oil started coming out of the spices. After that, add onion and curd paste to it and keep stirring very well. After mixing well, when the oil comes out of it, then add salt, red chili powder, and a turmeric powder. After mixing well, add big cubes of potatoes. And keep mixing well so that all the spices are coated well. Then add 2 cups of water and cover well and cook so that potatoes become soft and tender. Then sprinkle hot spices or a garam masala and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. So mix well, serve and enjoy. Decorate and serve as desired. So guys, if you enjoy my video and enjoy my recipe, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.